Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I will to give you a tips how you can get a subscribe animation for your video. Easy, simple, super fast, efficient, only with CapCut application. So if you are working to fill your YouTube content, you must be sometimes want to add some the animation of subscribe button so that people can interest to subscribe your channel. So if you want to get those, it's also easy to get only with the CapCut application. You just need to open the video of your YouTube content, and let's say I got this video that I would like to apply into the YouTube content that I have, or YouTube account that I have. Now the next thing you need to do is adjusting what second that you want the subscribe button to be appear. I'll let you make the subscribe button appear in the last minutes, so I'll let to place them here. And now the next thing you need to do is just go take a look at this bottom side, type into this text, and there will be a stickers there. Just tap it. Now type into this search stickers and just type subscribe and click to search, and there'll be like a lot of subscribe button animations that you can get. You just need to find the best match with your video here, and right after you got one, you can just go click it to import the animations. And now you just need to go click cancel, click this checklist button, and just place them into the specific area that you want to have, as well as adjusting the size. And now here is the result. You will got these animations pop up in the last minute of the video that you upload into your YouTube account. That's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.